Microsoft's 2021 survey on tech support scams has revealed that about 70% of Indian users have been hit by such scams, which translates to 7 out of 10 Indian users. The report has also stated that India had the biggest increase in instances of such scams since 2018 and that Indians were more than 3 times as likely to fall victim to such scams. However, such scams are not merely limited to Microsoft but also extends to other tech platforms including Apple. What is a tech support scam? Tech support scams involve scammers pretending to be Microsoft or other software employees who fraudulently notify people that they are victims of malware infections before proceeding to offer technical support services to supposedly fix their device or software problems that don't really exist. How do scammers target their victims? It initially started with cold calls offering tech support to fix issues on one's computer. Eventually, it evolved into displaying fake pop-ups on devices, coaxing its users into believing that something is wrong with their device. In recent times, fraudsters have taken up using more sophisticated tactics like email, search engine optimization, and social engineering tactics to lure victims. How does such scams operate? Once scammers convince their targets that their device is at risk or infected, they will pretend to resolve the issue and then extract payment for fixing those fake issues. Scammers also most commonly ask consumers to download some software, go to a website, or visit their banking website during the session, through which they could gain control of the target's device and access private information. Microsoft's 2021 survey has also revealed that when unsuspecting people continued to engage with scamsters, the most common issues experienced during the interaction was computer problems at 30%, followed by compromised passwords at 23% and fraudulent use of credit debit cards at 18%. What happens once you engage with such scammers? Engaging with scammers enables them to steal your personal and financial information, install malware on your device, and allows them to remote access your device even after the tech support sessions have ended. How to stay immune to tech support scam? Beware that tech firms do not send unsolicited email messages or phone calls to gather personal or financial information or to provide technical support. Tech firms never ask you to pay for technical support and do not communicate unless you request support. Authentic pop-up and error messages never include a phone number. Download software only from the official websites or app stores. Use secure browsers to access the internet and enable pop-up blockers. Ensure up-to-date security settings and antivirus protection on your devices. What to do if you have been scammed? Report the tech support scam to the company concerned. Uninstall applications that scammers made you install. Reset your device if you had allowed scammers remote access. Run a full scan with your device's security feature to remove any malware. Ensure your device is updated with the latest security updates and change all your passwords. A federal report.